Let's talk about something that I think we all wrestle with: how to unlock our true potential. We're going to explore how tiny, consistent actions can lead to huge, life-changing success. It's not about those massive, heroic efforts, but the small things we do every single day.
I mean, you've probably thought about this, right? You see someone who's just crushing it and you wonder, what's their secret? A lot of the time, it's not about some genius-level talent or a big lucky break. It's actually something much quieter, much more consistent. It's all about habits.
To really get a handle on this, let's dive into a story. We're going to meet a young boy named Arav. He lived in a small, quiet town, he was a smart kid, and he had these huge dreams. But he also had a pretty big problem standing in his way.
Yeah, there was this massive gap between the life Arav imagined and the one he was actually living. He dreamed of being a successful, admired leader, but his reality? Hitting that snooze button and muttering, just 5 more minutes. His life was basically a graveyard of unfinished projects and good intentions.
And see, here's the thing. Arav really looked up to the disciplined people in his town. You know, the shopkeepers who opened on time every day, the teachers who were always prepared. He admired them, but he never actually did the things they did. He knew what he wanted, but he had no idea how to get there.
So things aren't looking great for Arav, but then, as it happens in all good stories, a turning point arrives. He's about to meet someone who holds the key to changing everything.
On the edge of town lived a man named Gopal Kaka. He was a retired army officer, and everyone knew him for his incredible discipline. Every single morning, like clockwork, before the sun was even up, he had this simple routine: sweeping his porch, watering his plants, a few push-ups, some reading. It wasn't flashy, but Arav couldn't help but notice that quiet consistency.
So one day, Arav finally asked him, "Gopal Kaka, don't you ever get bored doing the same thing every day?" And the old man smiled and shared this little piece of wisdom. He said, "Habits are like seeds. What you plant today will grow tomorrow. Success comes from the small actions we repeat consistently."
You know, sometimes all it takes is one sentence to change everything. And for Arav, that was it. Those words hit him hard. That night, he made a decision. No more dreaming, it was time to start doing.
So the very next morning, Arav dragged himself out of bed before sunrise. He went for a run and barely made it 200 meters before he was totally gassed. But, and this is the important part, he did it again the next day and the next. After a week, he added another habit, just 1 hour of studying. He didn't make a big deal about it, he just did it. And slowly, quietly, a real transformation started to happen.
This is the secret he was unlocking. This is what discipline really is. It's not some heroic burst of energy you summon once in a while. No, it's just about showing up, repeating those small actions, day after day, especially on the days you really don't feel like it, until it just becomes a part of who you are.
Okay, so Arav's building these new habits, he's starting to feel good, and right on cue, the universe decides to throw a major test his way. An opportunity arrived that was going to challenge every bit of his newfound consistency.
A huge scholarship program was announced in his town, and it was a tough one. It required you to be excellent both physically and academically. For most of the other kids, this was panic time. They started cramming and frantically training. But Arav, he actually felt calm. He knew his daily habits had already done the hard work for him.
You could literally see the difference at the fitness test. A lot of the other students just exploded off the starting line, running on pure adrenaline, and they burned out fast. But Arav just kept a steady, consistent pace. He relied on the endurance he'd been building day after day, and he finished stronger than almost everyone.
And it was the exact same story with the written exam. His daily hour of studying, compounded over months, had built this solid foundation of knowledge. You just can't fake that with a few all-nighters. So when the results came out, it wasn't a surprise. He was right there among the top students.
Later, when Arav went to share the good news with his mentor, Gopal Kaka just smiled and left him with his final bit of wisdom. He said, "Motivation starts you, but habits keep you going." Motivation is that initial spark, for sure, but habits? Habits are the fuel that keeps the fire burning long after that first burst of excitement is gone.
Now, Arav's story is an awesome example, but what does it really mean for you and me? How do we take this idea and actually use it in our own lives? Well, it all starts with just one tiny step.
So here's the most important takeaway for all of us. You don't need to reinvent your entire life tomorrow. Forget these massive, intimidating goals. The truth is, all those extraordinary results you want, they're really just the product of a bunch of very ordinary, very consistent actions.
So what does that look like? Start with something so small it feels almost silly, something you literally can't say no to. Go for a 10-minute walk. Read just 5 pages of a book. Wake up 15 minutes earlier. Do 10 push-ups. These are the seeds. Just plant one and tend to it every day. I promise you, it will grow into something amazing.
See, your future isn't decided in some single heroic moment. It's being built right now, today, in the small choices you're about to make. So as we wrap this up, the only question that matters is this: what is the one small seed you're going to plant today?